Okay, Autumn. I was reading your writing here, and I got to thinking about some things here. Now, these are four really great choices, right? But the one thing I'm looking at here is Lily Munster. That was a black and white series. Actually, these would be black and white too. Betty Page, most of those photographs were black and white, and same thing, I believe, with Bunny Yeager. But the interesting thing here is these are both pinup girls, whereas this is a 60s actress, and this is a contemporary actress playing an older role. So I think that the conceptual ties here could be solidified, made a little bit stronger. Maybe if you were to just use just pinups, four pinup entertainers, right? Or four actresses, or that's up to you. It's certainly not a requirement of the assignment, but I'm just thinking about consistency. The other thing is, let me just do something really quick. I'm just going to select this. And the thing I'm thinking about pinups, let me just do a quick Google search, Betty Page. Let's do some image search for Betty Page. And I think we're going to find, yeah, mostly black and whites. You do have some color. So yeah, so these are mostly black and white. So don't forget this one's going to be a portrait. So it's just going to be a face shot, right? So I'm wondering if it might be an interesting way to do four pinups. That might be an interesting way to go. But regardless, whichever direction you decide to go, the one thing I do want to mention is consistency in I'm shooting for consistency in conceptual development. But in terms of visual consistency, that is a must. Okay, because that's going to a very high degree, determine the success of this series. And the reason I say that is because you want to make sure that each of the characters or each of your examples is cropped close to the same way. So each one kind of consumes the same physical space in the picture plane of the postage stamp. You see what I'm saying? So you don't want one super close up and the next further away. You want each of them for consistency in the series to be relatively the same size within the picture plane of the stamp. Okay, I hope that makes sense. It's a pretty important concept. But yeah, so moving forward, I'm just wondering, are you going to use color or black and white? I mean, the assignment is pretty much geared for color. So if you do use black and white images, I think it would be really interesting to apply color to your flat avatar portraits. So think about that. All right. So I'll be looking forward to seeing the images in your post on Sunday. If you want to post the images here, that's great. But we'll take a look at those on Sunday. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. Thank you, Autumn.